While we have a large range of material here at the James M. Milne Library, we do not have access to everything. If you come across an article during your research or even a book that you would like access to and the library does not have it, you can request it through a service known as Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a free service for students, faculty, and staff at SUNY Oneonta, and it allows us to try and get the item from another library so that you don't have to do it yourself. To request an item through Interlibrary Loan, you will click on the Interlibrary Loan tab on the library homepage. You will then probably be asked to sign in. If it is the first time you are logging into Interlibrary Loan, you will have to fill out some identifying personal information, and then you will get to this page here. If you need to put in a new request, you just select the new request and then select if it is an article, a book chapter, etc. You fill out the information then on the next page, such as the title of the journal or the newspaper or the magazine, the article title that you're specifically looking for, and then any other identifying information that you can find. While only the titles are required in these formats, finding other information like the author and the volume and the issue number or even the year can help our interlibrary loan staff find the item quicker for you. Once you have submitted that request, you will receive a notification when it is available for pickup. If it is a physical book, you can pick it up here at the Milne Library. If it is an article, it will most likely be electronically received, and you will get a notification that it is ready to view. You will then need to log back into that interlibrary loan system, and you can see if you have any electronically received articles available right here on your system. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to use the interlibrary loan system.